Welcome! Today, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of programming and setting up your Ivation H2O water softener. To enter the programming mode, unlock the keypad by holding the up and down arrow buttons simultaneously until the screen unlocks. You will now be able to set the current time, date, water hardness level, and number of users. Use the included test strips to measure your water's hardness. From the main screen, tap the Menu/Confirm button to access the main menu. Use the up and down arrow buttons to choose the setting you want to change. Use Menu/Confirm to enter the setting and make changes. Use the up-down arrows to change the setting and then press the Confirm button to select and store the changed setting. Set time of day to the current time of day. Set date to the current date. Total capacity is already set to the proper setting. Do not change this setting. Set the total hardness based on your water test results. If you do not know your water hardness, use the provided test strips to test your water. Use this hardness test result to program your softener properly. Set number of people to the total number of people living in the home. Inspect and, if necessary, clean the brine tank before adding 40 to 50 pounds of salt. Ensure the tank is half full, but never more than 2/3 full to avoid salt bridges. Start a regeneration cycle to refresh your system by pressing the Manual/Return button. The total regeneration will take approximately 2 hours to complete. You can skip each cycle by tapping the Manual/Return button. Allow the unit to remain in each cycle for a few minutes to purge the air out of the system and to rinse it out before use. Your Ivation H2O water softener is now ready to provide you with soft, quality water. Thank you for following our water softener programming video. For any assistance, contact Ivation H2O customer support by calling 1-866-849-3049 or emailing us at info@myivation.com. Thank you for choosing Ivation H2O. Enjoy your softened water.